welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be making a hangable door hanger. The problem with it is that none of the knobs are there, so we're going to have to thread the end of the hook. That way we can put these knobs that we got at our garage sale, put them on there. That way it's a cheap DIY too. The reason that we're doing this is kind of like a DIY dorm decor thing, because I'll be going off to college soon, so I need stuff to hang on. Right now we are testing the length of the threading, because basically this tool right here helps you thread the base of this so that the knobs can fit, because before we would have just been able just to stick it on and glue it and be done, but the prongs were too big, so we're having to thread them. Basically everything that we have on the table right now is from a garage sale, except for like the drill. This is probably about maybe 50 cents or $1, and then the knobs are about $5 for a whole bunch of them. So if you're looking for some cheap DIYs, this is one way to do it. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the big red button at the bottom of the screen. This was just a quick video on showing you pieces of the dorm materials I'm going to be using. This is going to go back on like a closet door, or maybe the dorm door, so we can hang hoodies or t-shirts, not t-shirts, jackets, or our keys if we want to. If you want to see more dorm stuff, or future, like maybe a moving vlog, maybe we can do that later. If you want to, comment below. Also leave ideas down below of what y'all want to see Love y'all. See you in the next video.